Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, we are here. It is September, I think it's the 23rd. Let's see, 22nd. September 22nd, 2024. We are back with another road construction update. Yep, we're back, guys. Wow, a lot going on. A lot. They are moving quickly. This is the most progress in the shortest amount of time that we have seen thus far. So we are on the access road. We are going into Accra. We're actually in Accra, but we're going towards Amasaman, going towards Timota. So going towards that way from Ensawam area. Wow. So they can actually drive all the way up there now, I guess, to bring materials and things that they need. They've made a road so they can bring up their iron rods and everything they need up there for the project. I believe under here will be a circle. Maybe even right there. See how they've already marked it off. So maybe that will be where the circle's going to be. It will be a roundabout. They still have to move the lines or put the new lines, whatever they're going to do. This is the bus place that we've seen as a landmark before. Okay, they're doing a lot of work over here. I guess they're compacting it, putting it in there and packing it down. So we are on our way. My husband's here, Frida's here, Nana's here. We're all ready to go and hear the word of the Lord and praise and worship. And yeah, so this is the time that I normally, a time I can be consistent for the most part about getting you guys these updates. So the Lord willing, weekly. This is a little road going down there. The Lord willing, weekly, I will get these for you guys. And then on the way back, I'll get you the other side, the Lord willing. Yep. Until the project is done. And of course, there is the red, black, and yellow building. We will get you the finished product.
This is Pobiman. This area.
Okay, this area is called Pobiman. Pobiman.
I think they opened the road here.
Ah.
We used to go this way.
Okay. So we used to go over there. That's where the China Mall is. So if you want to go to China Mall, you have to go over there. I saw a sign back there. Huh. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It looks like the road is maybe not quite to the level. Maybe they have to do another layer. Some of the gutters, it looks like the water can't go out. You see? See how it is? So they're probably going to put another layer of cement. There are the light poles for the street lights. As we've learned, those little breaks in the wall are where the street lights will go. Oh, China Mall was back there, guys. Yeah, so you can't get over there from here. You have to go on that little access road. Lots of workers over there. So we'll see that side when we're coming back. Right riding on pavement, guys. We're riding on pavement. Wow, this video might be pretty short today. So in the beginning, I still haven't looked, but I'm pretty sure it was like 40 something minutes to get where we end the videos normally. And I think it's only 20 something minutes now, so it's cut the time in half, if I'm not mistaken. I always forget to check, but I think it's cut the video time in half.
We're about to get to Amazon.
Okay, we're almost to Amazon. And you see, I'm guessing this will be where the exit and entrance is to the highway will be. So for us, we might have to come here before we get up to the highway. I'm not sure. Look, there's the picture, guys. So you can pause the video. I'm going to keep it there in case there's another one. You can pause the video and...
It's a roundabout.
Okay, so it's a roundabout. You can pause the video and then check out that picture of what it will look like. Yep, so this is Samasaman. This actually has a Malcolm. So I think, like I was saying to you guys in previous video, here's the Royal Bank that we normally look at as a landmark. Here's some of the work being done. I don't think I would mind traveling to here. I'm not a city driver. I don't like driving in the city. But I think there's the police station. But I don't think I would mind driving on that when the road is finished. I think, you know, it's you have to really, really pay attention when you're driving like that. So that there was some gutter back there. They're working on this a lot now. You have to really pay attention because of the potholes and all that kind of stuff. And a lot going on the road and everybody dodging potholes and stuff. It does make it a lot riskier, right? Because you're dodging potholes, they're dodging potholes, and you know, it just takes a lot more. So you see what the street lights are gonna look like. And you see what the poles are gonna look like once they move the line to the new electric poles. Yep. So like I always say, guys, I am not for any party in particular. I can't have an educated opinion on it because honestly, I don't follow politics. I let my husband handle that and trust his judgment about all of it. But I don't follow it. So if you see the political banners or whatever you see, that is not me endorsing anybody. I endorse who the Lord puts in place. That's how I look at it. Whoever the Lord puts as our rulers, we're called to pray for them, right? So, yeah, no matter what country you're in, no matter where you're at, prayer is the best thing you can do for your leaders and for the peace of your country. Yep. I just wanted to clarify that, just because you might see the banners. It's almost election time, and that's what people are saying, why the road is getting done so quickly. It's fine by me. Fine by me. Whatever the reasoning is, I'm good with it, because at the end of the day, it's still getting done, right? They're working over there on the gutter. Yep. It's looking good. Looking good, guys. A lot has changed. And the speed bumps are here to slow people down on this nice pavement. This is Pokwasi, North Pokwasi. I'm going by that Bethel congregation sign back there. It says North Pokwasi. And we are here at the St. Moses Medical Center, and it's a hospital, and I think it's a teaching college as well. Yeah. Looking very, very nice. I am very impressed. It would have definitely been nice if they would have been working like this all along, but hey, we'll take what we got, right? We can't control it, so. A lot of filling going on in there. This is where you would turn around to access things on that side if you needed it. There's the community hospital. So look at that, guys. Even this, I think this is a pretty big hospital, right?
I think so.
Yeah, so look at that. 11 minutes into the video and we're at a pretty big hospital. Of course, we have clinics 5 minutes from our house. Medical facilities and things like that. This is a major hospital. Oh, it's a teaching hospital as well. So you know those are normally good. At least what I'm going by from the States. We were in North Carolina and we had like Duke and Baptist. You know, they were teaching hospitals, and they were usually the better hospitals. They're really doing a lot. Looks like we got pavement on both sides. We are blessed. They're still working on the gutters over here. Maybe they'll put the sidewalk like they did this. A lot of work going on. They did some work at the farm area as well. So this is what the overhead walkway will look like when the other ones are finished. Yeah, they widened the road at the farm a little bit, graded it, I guess. They graded it. So it was really nice. And then in my husband's hometown, they're actually putting in sidewalks. So you see, you can say, oh, election. Okay, but at least you're getting somewhere, right? And whether it's because of election or whatever it's because of, the progress is still happening. So we have to be thankful for that. That's just the little areas we see. I think there's a lot of projects going on. So we thank God for that. We thank God for the development. Now we're coming up to John Tay. Right?
Yes.
Because there is that big building up there that one of you let me know was a church. So we'll be getting to that. We usually look at that as a landmark. So we'll be getting to that. Right there. You see the yellow and green building with the red roof, the big giant one.
So here too, we go into there.
Okay.
We used to go this way.
So you heard it, guys. We used to go that way. Now we're going to the regular road. Wow. This will be the normal road that we will ride on, and those will be the access roads where the chochos, the motos that are picking passengers and dropping them off. Maybe they're just going a short distance. Most of them will be on that side. The buses, they won't be able to drop people off here. See the chocho? Right? Public transportation, they won't be able to do that on the main road. So that is another thing that will make it a bit safer, make it quicker, right? You won't be waiting for them. You see, they do still have more pavement to put here. so that the water can flow out. So this is not even completed. This is the first layers, but we are blessed to ride on it. Look at the street lights, guys. We don't normally come at night, so we haven't seen the street lights on, but I'm sure they're working. I wonder if they're solar. They probably are. That'd be pretty amazing. You guys, let me know in the comments. Some of you guys, you really follow this project and you know what's going on more so than I do. I'm just seeing it from my eyes, riding on it. Oh, lots of pavers over there for the sidewalk, I'm guessing. I don't know. We'll see that way on the way back, the Lord willing. So they're not quite ready to ride on the pavement in there. They're still working on it. So that's it, guys, for the pavement. But we'll take what we get, and we enjoyed it. Wow. So here's how it's looking. This is how they're doing it. You guys can kind of slow the video down or stop it to be able to see, but you see how they're doing it. Very, very nice. So we're not going past the pigs today. Well, you don't know. We'll have to see, guys. I guess no piggies today. Wow, they really have come a long way. They've really come a long way. I'm shocked, guys. I'm really shocked. This video has taken less than 20 minutes, 17 minutes. And I believe this is where we normally leave you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the update. Like I said, guys, it's a game changer for the property in our area. You'll see we're still going through construction. We're still waiting for trotros and stuff, but it only take us about, let's say, less than 20 minutes to get here. And that's a huge game changer. It used to take us double that time. So imagine when the road is completed. It will probably at least take another third off of it, of the time. So that's a game changer. That's why the land prices are going up near us, and you won't even be able to get land soon near us. But this is it's a good mix of country life and being close enough to anything you want here in Accra. So contact us if you're interested. AAIMCS.com. Go to the contact us page and check it out. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go at that. Till next time, God bless you.